Getting level 25. Let's go. They're wasting a lot. Okay. I like Louis. He's kind of good. So, make it more cheap. For me, make it more cheap. Actually, okay. Why not? Or and we'll unlock the next area. Let's go. Hey guys, where I'm going? He looks cool. Okay. Thank you guys for watching.